Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to turn off high-quality video uploads on Discord using your Android device. If you're looking to save some data while using the app, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Discord open on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and give it a tap. This will take you to your user settings, where you can customize your experience. Next, you'll see a gear icon at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and tap that to access the settings menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options to tweak your Discord setup. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Chat. Tap on that to head to your chat settings. This section deals with all the fun stuff related to messaging and media. Once you're in the chat settings, look for the section dedicated to video uploads. You should see an option called Data Saver. This is where the magic happens. By marking Data Saver, you'll effectively turn off high-quality video uploads and save on your data usage. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your video upload settings on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording!